Welcome back to Ride Radar, your destination for the latest scoops on wheels. Today, we're talking about something that's turning heads in both rural and urban India, the 2025 Mahindra Jeeto Jeep. A compact utility vehicle that combines rugged styling with extreme affordability, this new offering is catching serious attention. Let's dig into what makes it special. Design: mini Jeep with big attitude. The 2025 Mahindra Jeeto Jeep is designed to look like a downsized off-roader but with utility at its core. It borrows classic Jeep styling cues, round headlamps, vertical slat grille, and squared off-wheel arches. But make no mistake, this is a commercial workhorse at heart. With a short wheelbase, flat bonnet, and open-top options, it's built for small towns, farmlands, and last-mile transport, all while giving off mini Thar vibes. Interior: basic but functional. Inside, the Jeeto Jeep keeps it simple. Expect utilitarian seats, hard plastics, and essential controls only. No touchscreen or fancy tech here, it's designed to keep costs low and maintenance even lower. There's seating for 4 to 6, depending on configuration. What it lacks in comfort, it makes up for in rugged practicality and ease of use. Performance: small engine, big job. Powering the Jeeto Jeep is a small 625cc single-cylinder diesel engine, tuned for torque and efficiency rather than speed. With a 4-speed manual transmission, it's built for carrying goods and climbing rough roads, not for highway cruising. The suspension setup is basic but sturdy, perfect for uneven terrain. It may not be fast, but it's definitely tough. Purpose: built for Bharat. The real genius behind the Jeeto Jeep lies in its purpose. It's made for rural India, farmers, shopkeepers, and small transporters who need affordable, reliable mobility. Whether it's carrying farm produce, ferrying people in remote villages, or navigating narrow urban lanes, this mini Jeep gets the job done with minimum fuss. Price and availability: expected to launch in mid-2025, the Mahindra Jeeto Jeep could be priced as low as 4 lakh rupees, making it one of the most affordable four-wheelers with a Jeep-like design. It's likely to be available in multiple variants, including pickup and passenger versions, with optional roof and body styles. Outro: Ride Radar verdict. The 2025 Mahindra Jeeto Jeep is not a luxury SUV, nor does it try to be. It's a simple, smart, and sturdy vehicle that brings Jeep-like style to the grassroots level. Perfect for India's heartland, it's another example of Mahindra understanding its audience. For more unique vehicles and upcoming launches, subscribe to Ride Radar and stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for tuning in.